Yeah, this girl is so tight. Yeah, but man, I don't feel right. Yeah, but you're the girl that I like. Yeah, come inside, we can talk about it. Don't be afraid, I'm not gonna do shit. Maybe touching you a little bit. Oh, kidding, sorry, I need the exit. Chit chat, you talk a lot too. 11 PM in the cafe, just us two. Accidentally calling you boo. You Shaq, I'm not. But wait, here's a scarf. I'm not forcing, I'm not rough. Let me get your number then. What's the problem? You got a boyfriend?